Okay, let's enter Google Play Store and download Combain AI Indoor Survey app. Log in with your Combain account. And when you're in the app, make sure that you have granted all permissions, turn off Wi-Fi throttling, and also turn off Wi-Fi. To turn off Wi-Fi throttling, go to Settings, and then go to About Phone. Mine is called Om Telefonen. And then scroll down and click on Build Number. Mine is called Version. 7 times to enter developer mode. Go back and enter System. Go down to Developer Options, utveckla alternativ, and then you want to find the Wi-Fi throttling. And here under Networking, you'll find the Wi-Fi scan throttling. So this one for me, and then disable that one. And to grant all permissions, you should go to Apps, then go to the app, Permissions, and then make sure that physical activity is enabled and also location is enabled when the app is used. And after this, you're good to go. So good luck.